Dear children, kindly open your Little Masters pattern writing book, page number 13. You will put the date 8/9/2020. So see here we have capital C and small c. You will use the pencil to write in the book. You have to join the dot. For writing capital C, we will start from here, from the first line like this. Make a curve, bring it down to the second line and again take it up, leave it here. This is capital C and this is small c. Like this. For writing small c, we will use these two middle lines. You start from the second line, make a curve like this and then leave it here. This is small c. Capital C, like this. Make a curve starting from the first line, bring it to the third line and leave it here. Capital C. Then small c, a curve starting from the second line like this, bring it to the third line and leave it here. This is small c. Small c. Now let's see how to write capital D and small d. For writing capital D, we will again use this first line. We make one standing line like this and then a curve like this. Join it here. This makes capital D. Then small d, one standing line starting from the first line, bring it here like this and then a curve like this. This makes small d. Capital D, small d. Once again we will see capital D like this, standing line and a curve, bring it down, join it here. This is capital D. Then small d, one standing line starting from the first line like this, leave a small tail like this and then a curve from the second line, bring it to the third line and join it here. This makes small d. Capital D, small d. Let us see once again. We will start writing from the first line to make capital letter C like this. Make a curve, start from the first line, bring it to the third line and leave it here. Capital C, then small c. We will use the second line. We will start from the second line like this. We will start making a curve, bring it to the third line and leave it here. Small c. One more time we will see a curve starting from the first line, bring it to the third line and leave it here like this. Capital C and then small c. We will use the second line, make a curve starting from the second line, bring it to the third line, leave it here like this. Small c. Capital C, small c. Then capital D, we will use this red line once again. The first line, make a standing line like this, bring it down to the third line and a curve like this, join it here. This makes capital D. Then small d, a standing line starting from the first line, leave it here like this. Then a curve from the second line, join it here. Small d. Capital D, small d. Then once again we will see one standing line starting from the first line, bring it to the third line, then a curve like this, join it here in the third line. This makes capital D. Then small d, a standing line starting from the first line, bring it down to the third line like this and a curve from the second line, join it here. This makes small d. Small d. Capital D, small d. So children, This is the way you will fill your pattern writing book, page number 13. Small capital C, small c, capital D and small d.